If you're dealing with stiff joints in the morning, an irritated scalp, or skin that keeps breaking out, there's one ancient seed that has been studied for all three, Nigella sativa. But here's what makes it interesting. The same compound researchers study for its anti-inflammatory effects may also help explain why black seed has attracted attention for joint comfort, skin health, and scalp care. And there's one mistake that could make your entire routine far less useful. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use black seed oil for your joints, skin, and hair without overdoing it. The joint and pain connection. Let's start with something you can actually feel, that stiffness. When you get out of bed, the aching knees after a long day, the uncomfortable feeling when your joints don't move as easily as they used to. Pain can have many causes, but inflammation is one part of the picture. And this is where Nigella sativa becomes interesting. Black seed contains Thymoquinone. Researchers have studied Thymoquinone for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity. In simple terms, your body constantly produces molecules that can promote inflammation, while your antioxidant systems work to keep them under control. When that balance gets disrupted, your tissues can become more irritated. That's one reason scientists are interested in compounds that may help support a healthier inflammatory response. Black seed isn't a painkiller, and it's not a cure for arthritis. But research suggests Nigella sativa may have potential for supporting joint comfort and reducing inflammatory activity. And that distinction matters. We're not talking about take this oil and your pain disappears. We're talking about supporting one of the biological pathways involved in discomfort and inflammation. Why your joints may feel stiff. Think about your joints like hinges. When they're moving properly, movement feels smooth. But when tissues around the joint become irritated, movement can become uncomfortable, stiff, and restricted. That doesn't mean every stiff joint is caused by inflammation. Injuries, age-related changes, arthritis, and other conditions can all play a role. That's why persistent or severe joint pain shouldn't simply be treated with an oil. But if your goal is general wellness and supporting a healthy inflammatory response, black seed is an interesting nutritional tool to investigate. From joints to your skin. Now, here's where the story gets even more interesting. Your joints aren't the only place where inflammation matters. Your skin is constantly exposed to environmental stress. Sunlight, pollution, dryness, microbes, and irritation can all affect your skin barrier. And black seed oil contains compounds with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. That's why researchers have investigated Nigella sativa for different skin applications. For acne-prone skin, the antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties are particularly interesting. But again, black seed oil isn't a guaranteed acne cure. Think of it as a potential supportive ingredient rather than a replacement for proven dermatological treatment. Black seed oil for hair and scalp. And now, your scalp. If your hair seems thinner, don't automatically assume you just need a stronger oil. Hair loss can come from genetics, hormonal changes, nutrient deficiencies, stress, medications, and medical conditions. But your scalp environment still matters. Inflammation, irritation, and microbial imbalance can affect scalp health. This is why the antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties of Nigella sativa are being investigated for topical use. The goal isn't to magically wake up every dormant follicle. The goal is to support a healthier scalp environment, and that's a much more realistic way to think about it. The simple black seed oil mix. So how do you actually use it? For your scalp, you don't need to pour a handful of oil onto your head. Start with a small amount of black seed oil mixed with a carrier oil such as jojoba. Apply a small amount to the scalp and massage gently. Start once or twice a week and see how your scalp responds. For your face, use even less. A thin layer is more than enough, and if your skin is sensitive, dilute it further. The patch test. You should not skip before applying it everywhere. Do a patch test. A natural product can still cause irritation or an allergic reaction. Apply a small amount to a limited area and watch for redness, itching, burning, or swelling. If your skin reacts, stop. Simple. This is one of those small safety steps that can save you from a much bigger problem. The BrainDecoded body stack. And here's where you can connect everything. Don't think of black seed as your entire health strategy. Think of it as one piece of a bigger system. For joint health, combine a healthy diet, regular movement, adequate protein, omega-3 rich foods, and good sleep. For skin, focus on protein, vitamin-rich foods, healthy fats, hydration, and sun protection. For your scalp, make sure you're not overlooking nutrition, stress, sleep, and the underlying cause of hair loss. Black seed fits into the picture. It doesn't replace the picture. The 3 biggest mistakes, and before you try it, remember these 3 things. Number 1, don't assume more means better. A small amount may be enough. Number 2, don't expect overnight results. Your joints, skin, and hair all respond on different timelines. Number 3, don't use black seed oil to ignore persistent symptoms. If you're experiencing ongoing joint pain, significant swelling, rapid hair loss, or a persistent skin condition, find out what's actually causing it. That's smarter than simply adding another oil. So, what makes black seed so interesting? One tiny seed contains a collection of bioactive compounds, including Thymoquinone, that researchers are investigating for antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial effects. That gives Nigella sativa an interesting role in a wellness routine for supporting joint comfort, skin health, and scalp health. But don't think black seed fixes everything. Think black seed may support several systems through similar biological pathways. That's the more fascinating story. So now, I want to know, what brought you here? Joint pain, skin problems, or hair loss? Comment joints, skin, or hair below. And if you've already used black seed oil, tell me how you use it. Your answer could become the next Brain Decoded video. Subscribe for more science-backed brain, body, nutrition, and wellness science. Brain Decoded, small habits, real science, better health.